Hello students, welcome to IIT Extra Foundation. So today we will continue the last topic. In the last class we have completed up to 18 problems, no? 18th one we have completed in exercise 1. So now we will see the 19th one, 19th question. Okay. See here the 19th question is given. The angle which a vector I cap plus j cap plus root 2 k cap. So let us consider this given vector is a bar vector. Consider the given vector a bar, and here it is making with x axis, y axis, and z axis. Okay. So x axis, let us consider b. X axis is a b vector. X axis means unit vector along the x axis is here I cap we should consider here, and consider c bar vector as a j cap. So this is x axis with the x axis. So this vector is making an angle with x axis with certain angle there. So now this with y axis, and d bar you consider here, d bar is equals to k cap. So this is with the z axis. So now we should find out the angle between a bar and b bar, a bar and c bar, and a bar and d bar. Okay. So we know that the formula a bar dot b bar dot product a bar dot b bar is equals to ab cos theta, no. So from this cos theta is equals to a bar dot b bar divided by modulus ab. So this is a into b. Now here we will write there cos theta 1 we consider here, cos theta 1. So now a bar vector is what here, I cap plus j cap plus root 2 k cap into b bar. B bar is what here? So with x axis, that is I cap. So divided by. So now magnitude of this a bar is nothing but here magnitude of this vector, that is a 1 whole square plus root 2 whole square, and here this b bar is nothing but this one only, here we will get there 1 square. Okay. So now how much we get here? J cap dot I cap will be 0, k cap dot I cap will be 0, only I cap dot I cap will be 1. So here we will get here 1 divided by, so how much you get the value here? So 1 plus 1 plus 2. So here we will get there 2, 1 square, 1 only, root 2 whole square, 2 will be there. So we will get here 4, no? 4 into here 1, root 1 will value 1 only. So we will get there 1 by 2, no, 1 by 2. When cos theta will be 1 by 2? Cos of 60 degrees. So therefore theta 1 will get there 60 degrees. Cos theta value, cos of 60 value 1 by 2. Okay. So cos theta 1 we got here 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is nothing but cos theta, cos 60 degrees value 1 by 2. In place of 1 by 2 we can write cos 60. Now if we equate these two, we will get here theta 1 will be the 60 degrees. Okay. Theta 1 will be 60 degrees. So in the same manner, similarly we should find out with the b. So a bar and c bar. Next a bar and d bar we should find out there. Okay. Note down this. In the next page we will do. Okay. See here a bar vector is given, no? So a bar vector. Now cos theta 2. Cos theta 2, we should write here already cos theta 2. Now A bar and C bar, angle between A bar and C bar. So here we'll get now. So A bar dot C bar divided by AC, A into C. So now A value how much there, I cap plus J cap plus root 2 K cap, dot C bar is what here? C bar is nothing but J cap, no? Divided by square root of this value 1 square plus 1 square plus root 2 whole square into 1 square. Excuse me. So now how much we get here? This is here 1 will get divided by same here root 4 will get, no, root 4. So you will get here 1 by 2. So that is also cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees. Then theta is equals to, therefore theta is equal to how much you get there? Theta is equals to 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Similarly, now cos theta 3. So we can add, that is A bar dot D bar divided by AD. So now see here A and D. So A vector is this one, I cap plus J cap plus root 2 K cap, and D bar is a K cap there now. So here we'll get A bar is how much? I cap plus J cap plus root 2 K cap into dot K cap divided by, so here we'll get 1 square plus 1 square plus root 2 whole square dot 1 whole square. Cos theta 3 is equals to, how much we get here now? Root 2, no? Root 2 will get here. So root 2 divided by, so here same value 4 will get into 1. So how much we get here? Root 2 divided by 2. Root 2 divided by 2, how can we write there? So here we will do like divide with 2 and multiplied with 2. Root 2. Divide root 2 and multiply root 2. So here we will get here 2 divided by 2 into root 2. 2 will be cancelled here. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 value. So 1 by root 2. When cos theta will be 1 by root 2? Cos of 45 degrees. Cos of 45 degrees. Therefore, theta 3 is equals to 45 degrees will get there. 45 degrees. So theta 3 value is 45 degrees. So then theta 1 is 60, theta 2 is 60 and theta 3 is 45 degrees. Okay. So correct answer is option 1. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct there. Clear now? So next, numerical answer type questions. Numerical answer type questions. A force of 1200 Newton acts on a stone by means of a rope, slides the stone through a distance of 10 meters in a direction inclined at an angle 60 degrees to the force. Work done by the force is dash into 10 to the power of 3 joules. A force of 1200 Newton acting on a stone by means of a rope slides the stone through a distance of 10 meters in a direction inclined to the 60 degrees. Okay. So I'll show in the diagram. So 20th one. A force of 1200 Newton acting on a stone by means of a rope slides through a distance of 10 meters in a direction of. See now this is an inclined plane is there here. There is a 60 degrees angle, and here a stone is there. A stone is there here, and the force is acting by means of a rope. A rope tied so like this, F is equals to 1200 newtons is slides. So it has travelled a distance of here they given 10 meters. So now this is the distance is given here 10 meters. From here to here it is travelled there 10 meters. Inclined at an angle of 60 degrees there. Force is applied here. This is a 1200 newtons. 1200 newtons. So work done is nothing but force into displacement. No, F is equals to force into displacement means F bar dot S bar we connect. So it is a dot product. Dot product of two vectors will give the dot product of force and the displacement is nothing but the work done. So from this we connect here Fs cos theta we connect. No, F bar dot S bar, like A bar dot B bar is nothing but AB cos theta. So here F bar dot S bar is nothing but Fs cos theta. So F value how much is given there? It is a 1200 and distance is 10 meters. Cos 60 value is cos 60 is given. So cos 60 value how much? Cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. Substitute here, then here 1200 into 10 into 1 by 2. So 1s are and here 5s are. How much you get there? 12 5s are. 12 5s are, how much you get there? 60, 6000 joules. 6000 joules will get there. 6000. Here in the question they given there. This you can write like this, no, 6 into 10 to the power of 3 joules. 6000 joules is nothing but 6 into 10 to the power of 3 we can write now. So then this is the numerical value here. Answer is 6. Answer is 6 there. Next question. A force F bar is equals to 3 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 4 k cap displaces a body from a point A 8 comma minus 2 comma minus 3 to the point B minus 2 comma 0 comma 6. The work done is in dash units. So they have given the force vector 21st one. So force vector is given F bar is equals to 3 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 4 k cap. And A point is given. So this force is applied and that force displaces a body from a point A. That A point is given here 8 comma minus 2 comma minus 3 and to point B that is given here. So minus 2 comma 0 comma 6. It has moved from point A to B by application of that force on the body there. Okay. So now it has moved from this point to that point. We should find out here AB. So now here we can write this this one in the vector form A bar can be written as here 8 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap we can write here. So B bar can be written as, let us consider it is OA because it is a position vector. Okay, these are the coordinates of the system of coordinate system. Coordinates of a point, this point, and coordinate of a point B there. Okay. So now if A point is there in the plane, in the XYZ plane, then that it can be written as OA bar. That is the position vector. And here we can write here OB bar, that is equals to minus 2 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 6 k cap plus 6 k cap. So now we should find out the displacement vector. So AB we should find out AB bar. AB bar can be written as OB bar minus OA bar. OB bar minus OA bar. So now here OB bar is what there? 2 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 6 k cap minus 8 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap minus 3 k cap. So here, so 2 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 6 k cap. So minus it plus minus 8 I cap minus it become plus 2 j cap minus it minus plus 3 k cap will get there. So how much we get it there now? This is a minus 10 I cap and plus 2 j cap, and this one is plus 9 k cap plus 9 k cap. So now we have got the displacement. AB bar we got there, AB bar displacement we got here. Okay, now force is there. So now they are asking the work done. So work done formula is what there? Work done is equals to, so I do here. So work done W is equals to F bar dot this AB bar, here we can write the displacement AB bar. So AB bar. Okay. So now see here F bar vector how much? Okay. So F bar vector is given there 3 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 4 k cap dot. So this vector we should write, that is minus 10 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 9 k cap plus 9 k cap. So dot product of this we should do this here. So what will get here? So 3 into minus 10 I cap, so minus 30 and here minus 4 plus, so this will be the 36, no? 36. 4 9 is a 36. This is a 9. It is a 9 there. Okay. So how much we get here? Here we'll get there plus 6 minus 4. How much we get there? 2. So W is equals to 2 joules. W is equals to 2 joules. This is the answer. W is equals to 2 joules. So answer is 2. So next 22nd one. When a force vector F bar, 22nd one is also same like that only, but here they are asking the power. So F bar is equals to I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap Newton, acts on a body and produces a displacement of S bar is equals to 4 I cap plus j cap plus 7 k cap meters in 1 second. Then power is, okay, they are asking the power. So here force vector is given, F bar is equals to I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap newtons, and S bar is equals to 4 I cap plus j cap plus 7 k cap meters. In 1 second, they are given time is equals to 1 second. Time is given 1 second. Then the power. So then now power is equal to how much? Power they are asking there. So what is the power formula? Power is nothing but rate of doing work. The rate of work is said to be the power there, and the power work is nothing but force into displacement. So here we can write F bar dot S bar we can write divided by T. Yes. So here F bar is there, S bar is there, time is 1 second is given, we can find out no power. Okay, write down here. So F is nothing but I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap into, so 4 I cap plus j cap plus 7 k cap divided by here 1. There is a 1 here. Okay. So now how much you get there here? I cap, 4 I cap, you will get here 4 plus 2 will get here, and then next plus 7 divided by 1. So how much we get it here? This is the 1. Okay. 9 plus 4, 11 will get, no? So 11. So 11 watts. 11 watts. So therefore, the power P is equals to 11 watts. So this is a 9 plus 4, 13 watts. So we'll get here 13 watts. So next concept is synopsis 5. We'll see the synopsis 5. That is about the cross product. So till now we have seen there, up to here we have seen there dot product. Okay. So in the dot product, we have seen the properties of dot product and formula of the dot product. Then different problems we have seen there. Now we are going to see the cross product. Okay. So cross product or vector product, that is a page number 51. Page number 51, cross product synopsis 5. Okay. So cross product. Cross product. So cross product is also known as a vector product. Vector product. Vector product. Suppose if two vectors are given like this is a A bar vector and it is the B bar vector. A bar vector and B bar vector, and they are making the angle between the two vectors, it is suppose it is a theta. Okay. And then the cross product of these two vectors. The cross product of these two vectors can be defined as the product of these two unit vectors, the product of the magnitude of the vectors and the sine angle between the two vectors. Sine angle between the two vectors is said to be the cross product or dot product. Okay. Suppose here that can be written as here dot A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar. In the dot product between the multiplication of vectors, we have put their dot, but here we are putting their cross. So it is said to be the cross product. The cross product of two vectors is given defined as the product of the magnitudes of the vectors and the sine angle between the two vectors is said to be the cross product or the vector product there. So this vector product will give the resultant, it's a magnitude, it's a multiplication. The value of this the cross product of the two vectors will be a vector, will get a vector there. So in the dot product we have seen there the multiplication of two vectors, dot product of the two vectors we have got there a scalar value. A scalar value means we'll get a magnitude, we got a magnitude in the dot product, but here we'll get a vector. Okay. So that is the reason why it is said to be the vector product or the dot product. So the cross product of two vectors, if A bar and B bar are two vectors and the angle between them it is a theta, then the cross product of these two vectors can be defined as the product of magnitude of these two vectors and sine angle between them. It is known as the cross product or the vector product. So now magnitude of the two vectors is AB and sine angle between them, it is the theta. And how that product will be there? It will be the perpendicular to the plane of these two vectors. It will be the perpendicular to the plane of this like this. The vector will be given like that. This A bar dot B bar will be the perpendicular to the plane of these two vectors. So this can be written as here A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar means this will be the 90 degrees to this one, this B bar vector, and it is also 90 degrees with the A bar vector. So that perpendicular vector can be represented by here n cap. N cap. This is a formula for the cross product. Formula for the cross product here. So n cap will be represented unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane of this A bar and B bar vectors. So to represent that here we have written here n cap. N cap will be the resultant of the cross product of the two vectors is a vector. To represent that we have written here n cap. Okay. So that is about the cross product. The cross product of a two vectors can be defined as the product of the magnitude of the two vectors and the sine angle between the two vectors is said to be the cross product, and this cross product will be perpendicular to the plane of the two vectors. perpendicular to the plane of the two vectors. Okay, that is about the cross product. Okay, means, so suppose if this is a vector, it is a vector, and this is another vector. Okay, this is another vector, and the resultant of these two vectors will be like this. Resultant of these two vectors will be like this. It is okay, like xy plane. We have seen in the coordinate system. No? So we consider this is the x-axis and with the y-axis, and this is the z-axis there. This z-axis will be perpendicular to both x-axis and y-axis there. Okay. So now, if a vector is like along x is a bar vector and along y is direction is a b bar vector, then now along the z-axis we will get here a bar cross b bar, a bar cross b bar. Okay. Then what is the direction of this? The direction, how the direction of this cross product can be find out? So that can be find out by using a corkscrew rule or the right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. So the direction will be changes based on the direction of the rotation of the vector. Suppose let us see here a bar is moving in anti-clockwise direction. If a bar is moving in anti-clockwise direction, suppose, so here along the fingers, a bar vector is there, and along the thumb, so along the thumb, along my thumb here, okay, so now along the thumb, if it is the b bar vector is given, so now this a bar is moving in anti-clockwise direction, a bar is moving in anti-clockwise direction, so now this thumb, right hand thumb rule, so this right hand will be give the direction of the resultant of this a bar and b bar vector, okay, that is the direction of the a bar and b bar can be given by the right hand thumb rule. Okay, this thumb will represent the direction of the resultant of the two vectors in the cross product. Okay, understood? Suppose I said they are moving, this a bar is moving towards b bar in anti-clockwise direction. So then the direction of the a bar cross b bar will be in upward direction. Okay, suppose the now b bar is moving, so b bar is moving towards a bar means in clockwise direction. So then the direction of the resultant a bar cross b bar will be downwards. Okay, if the vector is moving in anti-clockwise direction, the cross product of the two vectors will be the direction of the cross product of two vectors will be the upward of the plane, out of the plane otherwise. So this is a plane, no, it is a plane there, out of the plane we can say here. Okay, so that is about the cross product. This understood now? Okay, we'll see now here. So now we'll see here the properties of cross product. Properties of cross product. Properties of cross product. What are the properties will be there? So this cross product will not obey the first property. It will not obey the commutative law. So in we have seen there in the dot product that the dot product obeys the commutative law. Commutative law is nothing but a bar dot b bar is equals to b bar dot a bar. Okay, now here this property, the cross product will not obey the commutative law, means a bar cross b bar is not equal to b bar cross a bar. If it is equal, then that is nothing but the commutative law. So here it will not equal to a bar cross b bar is not equal to b bar cross a bar. Okay, so this is the first law, it does not obey. Then it will be equal to, it is not equal to b bar cross a bar, but it may be equal to like this, a bar cross b bar is equals to minus of b bar cross a bar. So this is not a this is not a commutative law. So commutative law will be a bar cross b bar is equals to b bar cross a bar. Then we can say that a product will be the obeys the commutative law. But here it is not equal to B bar cross A bar, then we can say this the cross product will not obey the commutative law. And next law is distributive law. So it will obey the distributive law. Cross product will obey the distributive law. So A bar cross B bar plus C bar, B bar plus C bar, A bar cross B bar plus C bar. So that will be, it is nothing but A bar cross B bar, A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar, A bar cross C bar. Okay, so A bar cross B bar, A bar cross B bar plus C bar is nothing but A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. Okay, so those are the two laws. And now, so there are more properties are there that we are going to see. So third one, in the dot product we have seen there the similar unit vectors like I cap cross I cap. In the dot product we have seen there I cap dot I cap, value we got 1 there. So here what it is going to be? So I cap cross I cap. So this is going to be 0 here. Why? So here this formula will apply here, A bar cross B bar, A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar is equals to formula is AB sin theta, AB sin theta n cap no formula. So now if you apply here, so we can write here I cap cross I cap, I cap cross I cap. So this is the magnitude of this one, unit vector, I cap is a unit vector, magnitude of that will be 1. And I cap is also, it is a unit vector, magnitude of that vector will be 1 there. So now sine of angle between, see here, so this is a x axis and it is a y axis, x axis, I cap is nothing but unit vector along the x axis and j cap is unit vector along the y axis and k cap is unit vector along the z axis. Okay. So now here I cap and I cap. So suppose this is I cap and another I cap also will be in the same direction. So now the angle between here, angle between these two I caps is 0. So now what can we write here? Sine of theta. Sine theta is nothing but we should write here 0, 0. And this is a perpendicular, plane perpendicular to this I cap and j cap. No, I cap and I cap. It may be what will get there? I cap and I cap. So I cap dot I cap. It may be j cap or k cap will get there. Let us take here k cap. So now we'll get here 1 into 1 will get there here and sine 0 value will be 0. So 0 into something, 0 into this k cap, it will be gives the 0. Since sine 0 degrees is equals to 0 only. So therefore we'll get here I cap cross I cap is equal to 0. I cap cross I cap is equals to 0. Similarly, even j cap cross j cap is going to be 0 and k cap cross k cap cross k cap is going to be 0. It is going to be 0. Okay. So that is the third property and fourth one we'll see here, fourth property, fourth one. Okay. So fourth one we'll see here, that is similar, cross product of similar unit vectors is the 0 will get there. Now cross product of different unit vectors, let us consider here I cap cross j cap. I cap cross j cap is what there. We'll apply same here this formula. So this one. So unit vector is here, unit vector I cap and j cap are the unit vectors, magnitude of them is 1 only. And now here sine theta. So what is the theta we should write here? I cap and j cap. So what is the angle here? 90 degrees. Even the k cap and I cap is also 90 degrees, j cap and k cap is also 90 degrees. So here we should get there here 90 degrees. And this is I and k, no? So perpendicular to this both of these which is there, which k cap will be there here. So k cap. So we'll get here 1, sin 90 value is 1 there. So 1 into 1 into k cap will get here. So therefore, since sin 90 degrees is equals to 1. So 1 into this 1 into 1 only, here sin 90 value is 1 and here k cap will get there. So therefore, I cap cross j cap is equals to k cap. I cap cross j cap is equals to k cap. Similarly, we will be get here. So similarly, we'll get for j cap cross, similarly j cap cross k cap is equals to I cap will get here I cap and k cap cross I cap is equals to j cap. Okay, it is a rotation continuation. See here, I cap cross j cap is k cap will get here I j k. Next, suppose j cap cross k cap should be get here I cap. Next, k cap cross I cap is j cap. Okay. So remaining property we'll see in the next class. So thank you children. Thank you.